Perception in communication is a fascinating and intricate process that greatly impacts how we interpret and understand the world around us. It allows us to make sense of the information we receive through our senses, such as sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Understanding perception is crucial in effective communication because it helps to explain why different people may have different interpretations or understandings of the same message. The perception process can be divided into three main steps: attending, organizing, and interpreting. These steps work together to shape our understanding of the information we receive. The first step in the perception process is attending. Attending refers to the act of selectively focusing on certain stimuli while disregarding others. Our senses constantly receive an overwhelming amount of information, and our brain automatically filters out what it deems less important or irrelevant. For example, imagine sitting in a crowded cafe. While you may see and hear many things around you, your attention may be drawn to the person you're speaking with, disregarding the conversations happening at nearby tables. This selective attention allows us to concentrate on what we deem as significant and relevant. The second step in the perception process is organizing. Organizing involves arranging the information we attend to in a meaningful way. Our brain categorizes and groups information together based on similarities and patterns. By organizing information, our brain simplifies complex stimuli, making it easier for us to understand and process. For instance, when we see a group of objects, our brain may categorize them as fruits or cars, based on the shared features. This process helps us make sense of the crowded and varied world around us. The final step in the perception process is interpreting. Interpreting refers to assigning meaning to the organized information. This step is influenced by various factors such as our past experiences, knowledge, beliefs, and cultural background. How we interpret information greatly shapes our understanding and reactions to it. For instance, two individuals may see the same picture but interpret it differently based on their personal experiences and beliefs. Interpretation is subjective and can lead to diverse understandings of the same message. Perception is not solely shaped by our physical senses. It is also influenced by our physiological, psychological, social, and cultural factors. Physiological factors include our biological state, such as our level of fatigue or hunger, which can affect our perception. For example, when we are tired, our attention may be compromised, affecting our ability to accurately attend to and interpret information. Psychological factors, such as our emotions and personality traits, also play a role in perception. Our emotions can color our interpretation of information, leading to biased perceptions. For instance, if someone is feeling anxious, they may interpret a neutral facial expression as hostile or threatening. Social factors, including the influence of others, can shape how we perceive information. Our perception can be influenced by the opinions and attitudes of those around us. For example, if our friends have a negative opinion about a particular brand, we may perceive their products as inferior, even if we have no personal experience with them. Cultural factors are another significant influence on perception. Our culture shapes our values, beliefs, and norms, which in turn influence how we interpret information. Cultural differences can lead to varying perceptions and understandings of the same message. For example, gestures or facial expressions that are considered polite in one culture may be interpreted as disrespectful in another. In conclusion, perception in communication involves the complex process of attending, organizing, and interpreting information. These steps work together to shape our understanding of the world. Additionally, our perception is influenced by various factors, including physiological, psychological, social, and cultural influences. Understanding perception is essential in communication as it helps explain why individuals may interpret the same message differently. Being aware of these influences can lead to more effective and understanding communication.